Folks, here's a big bite on this pole. He seems like a serious fish. A fish that's being serious about what he wants to do. What kind of fish is that? I think we got a big bass, folks. Did I just see a largemouth bass come up? Hey, JR, you want to help me with the net? Folks, we got a largemouth bass. I'm trying to keep the line tight on him. Oh, he's an exciting fish. Look at this fella. Yeah. We'll just play him out like a catfish. Goldie's springing the net. Goldie's bringing the net for us. We may just try to get a weight on this fella. Oh, he's barely hooked. Look at that.
Oh,
barely hooked.
Look at him.
Okay, let me see the net, Goldie. He's just barely hooked right there. He's getting ready to jump. Oh boy. He's quite a fish.
Wow. He's pretty heavy.
He's a heavy.
Run it?
He's a big fish. Let's go get a weight on this fella.
Let her come over
He's
here.
a pretty big fish, folks. This guy. Right here. He's hooked right there in the corner of the mouth. Just barely had him hooked. Look at that. Yeah, we have 4 pounds and 11 ounces on this guy. Let's let him go. I think we may have a fish on this pole, folks. Not sure. Yeah? Yeah? We got something on there. Come right to the top water too. It's a bass. We got a bass on here. He hit on the chicken. Yeah, the bass will hit the chicken. We've seen him do it. This is a nice fish. He's tugging and rolling. He bites like a catfish. This guy. Let's see if we can get him to come up. If we can get him to come in. He's a real fighter, this guy. He's a real fighter. Oh, look at him. Oh, look at him. Let me get down here. See if I can land this guy. Yeah. There he is. Oh goodness, he fell back in the water. All right, Peebo, you're gonna have to do better than that, Peebo. Yeah, he's a nice fish. There he goes again. All right, let's go back and get the hook out. Yeah, that was a nice fish. Maybe we'll get a weight on this fella. That's why I fish with these barbless hooks, folks, because he had swallowed that down. But we got it. We got it. No problem. He's a nice fish. Let's get a weight on him. Well, let's get the scale turned on. Let's see what this fish weighs. 3 pounds and 3 ounces.
Bam.
All right. Folks, I think we got a bite right here. We got a double. We got 2 fish on. All right, let's get them landed. We'll land this one first, and then you can see that fishing pole over there. it's got a fish on. Let's bring this one in. He's really fussing out there. Try to bring him up, keep him out of Kenzie's line. We may have to go over here to him. It's a nice fish. It's wrapped in Kenzie's fishing line. Oh, he's a big one. Let me see your pole, kid. Reel in a little bit, Kenzie. Okay. I think I can get out of there. Maybe not. Oh, it's another big bass. I caught one earlier. He's a big fish. He's a big fish. Well, let's get this guy in. Goodness. It is a big fish. He's wrapped up in the lines. Hang on. Now, folks, we got us a nice largemouth here. We got that.
How big is he, Joe?
He's a nice fish. Let's see how much he weighs. Let's get a weight on this guy. Okay, let's see what he weighs. 4 pounds and 5 ounces. Well, he's a nice fish.
Right down the middle. Gives you both get the Oscar.
4 pounds and 5 ounces, folks. A nice fish. Right there.
Try a turtle. Keep going. I mean, don't break the
All right,
line.
Let's let him go.
Nice.
All right, buddy. He's ready to go. See you later. See you later, big guy.